Hello everyone. Today in this video tutorial I will show how to use variable in Python. So before we starting the Python program, I'm just creating a new file, the name like new Python variable.py. So the file is be created here. So before we starting the coding of the Python, if you suppose provide comments on your Python file, so you use asterisk, and after that you writing any comments like using variables in Python. Okay, so I'm just starting the coding. So I'm just writing here like number and assign any random values like num. If you want to assign a string types, so you assign name, then single or double inverted comma you use, and you type any words like I'm just typing the name John Doe. That is a string type. If you suppose assign a float value like a decimal or the points value, so you have to assign like number with float. I'm creating the variable, you creating variable with the any name, so I'm assigning like 5.8. so I'm just print all the values, number, print name, print number of float. Okay, so I'm just writing running this program. So you have to see the values is printed in our console. The first value is 9, second is a John Doe, and third is a 5.8 value. If you want to check the type of the variables, so you have simply use type function, and inside the type you have to assign the variable name, like I'm just assigning using the type, and inside the type I'm using the variable name. So if I'm hit again the run, so you see in the console the first value is the integer type, second value is a string type, and third value is a float type. So using the type method you print the value which is the type of your variable. And suppose you want to assign a single line of the multiple value like x comma y comma z equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3, and just print x, print y, print z. So using this statement you assign a variable in a single line. That's the today video. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.